Mathematics textbook of class 8 part 1. As you can see, it is in orange and blue in color. There is a construction of the quadrilateral and a graph. At the back side, there is a slogan Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Sab Bade Sab Pade. At the bottom, there is a Government of Goa logo. First page, permission and supported by the NCERT New Delhi. There are total 156 pages. It is published by the Director of Education. Price of the book is 35 rupees and it can be sold only in Goa. Then the forward, it is given by the Director of Education. It tells about the important role of the textbook. The textbook provides the minimum of content and the concept that the teacher must teach in the classroom. It provides the basis to plan teaching activities and the evaluation strategies. Then we have a Constitution of India preamble. Then we have a preface which is given by the H.K. Diwan, Chief Advisor. It tells the aim is to involve everyone of that age group in a classroom or outside in doing mathematics. It is not remembering the algorithms, proof or the complex arithmetic problems, but to understand how mathematics works and how to identify the way of solving problems. Then we have note for the teacher. It tells not just to stick the textbook content and the concept, but help in the development of wider abilities in children. Mathematical ideas, they do not develop by teaching or by giving explanation. Children need their own framework of concept. Then we have a textbook development committee which includes the chairperson, chief advisor, chief coordinator and the members. We have a Constitution of India Part 4A, Fundamental Duties of the Citizen. Then acknowledgement. Then we have a content which includes the 8th chapter and also the answers of the exercises. I have taken chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilateral. Here in the introduction you can see the plane surface, plane curve, these are the terms. Then the definition of the polygon, that it is a simple closed curve made up of only line segment. Then we have a classification of the polygon as the number of, based on the number of sides and vertices, we classify into some names. Then we have a definition of diagonal, which is a line segment consisting of two non-consecutive vertices of polygon. Then we have terms like the interior, exterior, convex, concave, regular, irregular. We have some properties like angle sum property of the triangle, which states the sum of the measure of the three angles of the triangle is 180. Then we have a sum of the measure of the exterior angle of the polygon is 360. This is the property. Then we have kinds of quadrilateral. First one is trapezium, which have a pair of parallel lines. Then we have a kite, which is this, which have a property that it has a 4 sides and exactly 2 distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. Then we have a parallelogram, which is nothing but here opposite sides are parallel. We have some properties. That is, opposite angle are equal measure, adjacent angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other. These are some properties of the parallelogram. Now we have some special parallelogram which includes the rhombus, which is nothing but with the sides of the equal length. Then property is that perpendicular bisector of one another. Then we have a rectangle, which is nothing but a parallelogram with the equal angles, with the property that the diagonals of rectangle are of equal length. Then we have a square, which is it is a rectangle with the equal sides. We have a property that it has diagonals of equal length. Then also they are the perpendicular bisector of each other. Then at the end we have all the types of quadrilateral which we have seen and the properties of them.